Hi parents, Visitra here. I am a public speaking teacher. In this video, we are going to do an activity where we will improve your child's creative thinking ability. Before we start, I would like to add that I also conduct live online one-on-one classes for students to improve their communication skills and public speaking skills. We offer a free demo session. You can try that and then decide whether to enroll. To register for our free trial session, you can do it in three ways. First option is to answer the questions and submit the Google form. The Google form link is given in the description. The second option is to drop an email to our email ID which is given on the screen. The third option is to DM us in our Instagram handle which is also given on the screen and the link is given in the description. You can use any one of the three options which is comfortable for you. Now let me start the class with your child. If you want to learn how to create a story easily, then you can check the videos that we have uploaded already. Hi learner. Today we are going to do a story writing activity but in a different way. For this activity, your words are horse, bird, tree, and lightning sky. Keep the given words as the main part of the story. Also, you can add your own words as well. You have to figure out the characters, setting, problems, and solution for your story. Also, don't forget to add the feelings of your characters. You have 10 minutes to write down your creative story. After every minute, I will give you a reminder. Now you can start to write the story. 10 minutes more. Nine minutes more. Eight minutes more. Seven minutes more. 6 minutes more. 5 minutes more. 4 minutes more. 3 minutes more. 2 minutes more. 1 minute more. Your time is now over. Learner, you can read your story confidently, loudly, and clearly. Well done, learner. Now, for the same image, let me read the story that I have created. One day, a horse was walking in a big field. The sun was very hot and the horse felt tired. Then it saw a tall green tree. The horse went to stand under the tree. On a branch of the tree, a small bird was sitting. The bird was singing a happy song. The horse listened to the song and it made the horse feel calm and glad. Suddenly, the sky became dark. Black clouds covered the sun, and the wind began to blow fast. The tree started to move with the wind. Then, flash! A bright lightning shone in the sky. After that came a loud boom of thunder. The horse got very scared and jumped in fear. The little bird stopped singing and looked at the horse. Soon the rain began to fall, but the strong tree gave both the horse and the bird shelter. Its branches kept them safe from the rain. After some time, the storm passed away. The sun came out again, and the bird started to sing sweetly. The horse felt happy once more. From that day, the horse and the bird met under the same tree every day. They became good friends. Moral: Friends can make us feel safe and happy.